Mediterranean herbs such as sage get very straggly after winter. But if you cut them back hard, just leaving a few signs of new growth, they will quickly regenerate and look and taste good. In order to ensure that we have a good supply of cabbages from autumn right through next winter, now is the time to start sowing. Sprinkle the seed thinly on peat-free compost, lightly cover them, water them and put them somewhere warm to germinate. If you're growing tender vegetables, be they climbing beans or sweet corn, or as in my case, I've got some artichokes, they can't be planted out until the weather gets warmer, and if you have them in plugs or small pots, pot them on now. And that will keep them as nice, strong, healthy plants and also buy you time because they can live happily in the pot for at least another month or two.